89% of equipment failures occur randomly, regardless of the age of the equipment. Have you experienced this? HanPHI, an intelligent advanced pattern recognition solution, identifies even the smallest equipment anomaly without fail. HanPHI's machine learning technology creates models based on your historical equipment data to generate predicted values. When the real-time value and predicted value differ, HanPHI generates accurate early warnings to notify you of the abnormal equipment state. HanPHI displays the real-time health index of your overall plant and major equipment continuously. When HanPHI detects an issue, users immediately trace the cause of the anomaly from the equipment to tag level. With HanPHI, plants detect equipment abnormalities early, minimize downtime, and dramatically reduce their maintenance costs. This is the start of smart plant management. HanPHI.